Hello bakers, this is Chef Jude. Right now I'm going to make a lemon poppy seed macarons. So in this recipe I'm going to make macarons using a French meringue. So usually they use the Italian meringue, but right now I'm going to use a French meringue, and then I will also bake macarons on my next video using Italian meringue. So we're gonna see what's the difference between. Okay, so for our lemon poppy seeds macaron, I have with me the ingredients. I have 245 grams of almond flour or almond meal. I have 70 grams of granulated sugar. I have the yellow lemon coloring. Then I have the 145 grams of egg whites. That's all ingredients that we need actually. And then some poppy seeds. So yeah, I have a poppy seeds there. So right now I'm going to make a French meringue. So I have this white egg. White egg is 145 grams. I put the color already, add a little bit. I want a bright yellow color. So we'll see if the meringue is ready. We will be able to know that. Yeah, this one, you see that? Stiff, not thick. We'll see again. Like this. So if the texture is like that, so which means this one is ready to mix on our sugar and almond flour. Okay, we need to strain our sugar and then almond flour are all together. Okay, and then do like this. Okay, and then our almond flour, mix them all together. Also strain it. Sometimes you can use bleach, like bleach this all together with the flour. No, with the sugar and this one, bleach it all together to have a refined and refined and fine texture. Okay, so I'm going to mix it now. I use the scraper so that you can scrape the bottom as well. Like it will be distributed properly. So I'm going to put this in our piping bag. The piping bag is very small. Anyway, that's fine. order to have a smooth top, you can have some water. Do like this. Okay, so I'm going to make our lemon powder cream. So I have a softened butter here, some vanilla, a little bit of yellow coloring. So this is already ready. I have here the two. A perfect macaron. That's you. Still there. Still hot actually, still warm, so I don't want to force them. So right now I'm going to start piping the filling for our lemon poppy macaron. Okay. So this is a little bit rough and this one a little bit shiny. So that's the difference between. So when you're making macarons, if you want like a little bit rough, don't mix it too much. If you want it like a shiny texture, mix it a little bit more than the one that you do on the first batch. So it's up to you guys. I want a shiny macaron sometimes. I want not really rough, but actually but not like the same with this one. This is shiny one. So this is shiny texture.